parrot, parrot, parrot. Noun. Definition: a bird, often vividly colored, with a short down-curved hooked bill, grasping feet, and a raucous voice, found especially in the tropics and feeding on fruits and seeds. Many are popular as cage birds, and some are able to mimic the human voice. Example: it's been observed in many other bird species besides parrots and macaws, as well as elephants, macaques, giraffes, rhinos and chimpanzees. Transitive verb. Definition: repeat mechanically. Example: encouraging students to parrot back information.
Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to get more free learning resources.